Good morning guys from World Superbikes Donington. As you can see, it's quite nice. Jack's there. And it's not been a good start to the day really. We got here late last night, drove straight in, there was no security, didn't think nothing of it, parked up. And then this morning the BSB paddock man came and kicked us out because apparently we ain't got the right car passes. So we're back outside in the car park now. And even Jack, who's doing his first round, look, he's got his wristband.
I put the t-shirt inside out.
And yeah, so he's got in fine, and I've now got to wait here for Max to give me a wristband to get in. I'm probably going to have to camp in the van in the car park, so I doubt Max is going to have another living pass. So yeah, great start to the weekend. 2 practices today. Should go well. Looks like it's going to be dry all today, but looks like it's going to be wet Saturday and Sunday. So we'll see how we go, and I'll speak to you guys later. Alright guys, well I didn't get to vlog any of the first session because I left my camera in the van, and as you know I got kicked out this morning. So yeah, it went really well though. All very impressed. It was a really good consistent session, first proper one we've had this season. Did 7 laps, came in, made a few adjustments, went back out, and we finished 14th, which that doesn't sound too great, but we are only a second off the pole. So we're now about to get ready to go out for our second session. We've got not new tyres, but nearly new tyres in. It's a lot warmer, so we're hoping we'll get a bit closer to the leader, maybe pick a few more places off. We'll speak to you at the end of the day, see how the next session goes.
Come on, buddy.
I've pushed it, and lucky enough, I've got
Alright guys, so that is the end of day 1 here at Donington World Superbikes, and yeah, thumbs up, it's gone really well. Finished the day in 12th, lovely conditions. Me and Adam are now just stripping the bike down and just getting it ready for tomorrow, giving it an oil change. We're going to leave the wheels out because it looks like it could be wet in the morning. We're also going to put probably go put the old bodywork on because it'll be the first time Max has rode this bike in the wet tomorrow. But he seems to feel really confident about it. He thinks he's going to go well in the wet. So he is known for being a smooth rider, is Max. So I think we're going to do. He thinks we're going to do really well. So yeah, rain or not, I'm feeling confident. Had a really good consistent day today. So yeah, really looking forward to tomorrow. Yeah. Good night, and speak to you Saturday morning. Qualifying, race 1.
Yeah.
Why is the whole bike to this?
Because we're maintaining them.
Yeah, I think it's going to rain tomorrow, innit? So just getting it ready for the wet. Fresh rubber time. James is second race, and in all fairness, those
Well, he must be slim.
Slim fit going.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Stuff.
Muscle fit.
There's Velcro here, where does that go?
Well, I can put my bottoms on if I want. This, it's not in. Look.
What?
Cut in the metal. Oh, because the heap's like massive on it.
Yeah, I think because it becomes bigger than you want when you just
Don't
tighten
do
it
it.
up.
If you want to line up these,
Alright, straighten you up. No, I'm turning you up. Stay back.
Morning guys, from a lake that we call Donington this morning. As you can see, we were expecting it. I weren't really expecting it this bad, to be honest with you, but it is hammering it down. We're about 15 minutes from Max's qualifying session. The bike is all ready with the old fairings on because Mac didn't trust himself. So yeah, he's feeling reasonably confident about going out for the first time in the wet on the 600. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. I'm now going to go to the pit wall. I'll try and get as much footage as I can on the pit wall, but it is hard when you're doing the pit board at the same time. But we'll see how we get on. I'll speak to you after qualifying.
Place of that, we've got the True Blue Yamaha R3 Cup. This is the UK at present. We've got FS3 brand. We'll be going for Roger Shields and FS3.
It's going well at the moment. I'll take it up on the screen while it's there. P7 for this weekend's races. Lovely job. Well done, Max. There's my brother over there. Look at him. Man of style. Alright guys, so we did qualifying. The track was a lake, it poured down, but Max rode really well for his first time in the wet on the 600, and we managed to get 7th place on the grid. You see Adam there? So yeah, we were really pleased with that. We're probably about half an hour away now from race 1, and as you can see, it's still wet, but it is drying. We've got the tyre warmers on the slicks. So I don't think it's going to be quite dry enough for the dry tyres, should I say, not slicks. But yeah, we'll see how we get on. Bike's all set. Max actually wants it to dry and do a bit of a Jack Miller, and he wants to be the only one to go out on the dry tyres while everyone sticks with the wet. I don't think it's going to be quite dry enough for that, but we'll see how we go. We're really pleased to be 7th on the grid and somewhere near the front. So yeah, should be good. Like I said, I'll try and get as much footage as I can on the pit wall, but it is difficult, and we'll see how we get on. Speak to you later, guys.
Well, it's a bit wet. Yeah, just keep out the trouble. Very nice and steady. Time we're just about to leave.
We're going to behave ourselves.
It'll be on the vlog.
Oh. I'm done, sir. Oh.
0.5. What am I putting?
No, just take the 2 off. Take the 2 off and put the 1 on. Put the 1 on.
Oh, it's got...
Just leave it as a 0 because there's loads of them behind it. I'll just leave it as 0. I'll take the 1 off.
Well done, mate.
Well done. Awesome ride that.
Position there, the first podium back in the British Superbike paddock for FS3 racing, a match go. Next one along, Jack, that's the manual, that's the as the riders celebrate up there on the podium, and the
Alright guys, well what about that? A podium, second place, Max rode unbelievable in those tricky conditions. Started 7th, and I think after the second lap he was winning, took the lead, and then James Alderson on the Triumph came through, pulled a nice comfortable gap, but there were a lot of guys who qualified a bit further back who were coming through really quickly, and it didn't look like Max was going to get the podium at one point, but his last 3 laps he really picked up and had a really good battle with Nixon on the last few laps and managed to hold him off just about. So here's the trophy. So yeah, mega happy with that. So yeah, really pleased. I think we're going to be on 2nd place on the grid for tomorrow as well, because he set the 2nd fastest lap of the race. So yeah, really good. I think we're hoping we're going to get some dry races tomorrow just to see how we would get on in the dry. But yeah, brilliant. We're now going to sit back, watch the England game, and hopefully that goes well and it'll be the end to a perfect day. Cheers guys for watching, and I'll speak to you later. Good morning from Donington Park, day 3, Sunday morning. We got a morning warm up in a little bit. It's pretty much dry, so that's good. We've got some old scrub tyres in just for morning warm up. We've changed the gear in just to try something a bit new, so we'll see how we get on with that. Apart from that, we're all set to go. Then we've got 2 races today, one at around 1ish, and then we're the last race of the day at 5 o'clock. So I'll speak to you later guys.
R3 Blue Crew Cup as well. That was the bounce of the fans today.
Alright guys, well that's the last part of vlogging I got to do on Sunday. I did more filming like on pit wall and going to the grid and things like that, but me actually speaking, that was the last bit we did. And that's because morning warm up, the bike, it started to have a few issues. It wasn't revving correctly, like it wasn't getting up to full revs, and Max was having a short shifting everywhere we go. We tried our best to sort it in between morning warm up and race 1. We changed some electrics, changed the gearing, things like that, but we went to the grid at race 1 and it wasn't any better after the warm up lap. So unfortunately after that race Max had to pull in, which was a big shame because he was 2nd on the grid. Luckily in between race 1 and 2 of Sunday, we changed a few other things, and someone gave us a tip there could be a fueling problem, which luckily it was. Max did the warm-up lap in the 2nd race, and because he didn't really set a good lap time in the 1st race, we had to start 28th on the grid. But fortunately the problem was sorted, and he had a really good race, starting from 28th and came 14th. So we were really pleased with that. So you're about to see the footage that I did get on Sunday, and then I'll catch back up with you guys at the end of the video.
Still doing it. Yeah, it's like the rev counter isn't calibrated properly because it's not on 15,000. It's not. I have to change it like 12.
Well, just make sure you're going to have to change early. That's all.
Yeah.
You got your seats up and running anyway yesterday with the superb podium. Can we do it again today?
Yeah, I'd really like to do the drive yesterday with friends.
Yeah, it is absolutely well.
the primary on this because, as we said before, we needed.
All good?
All good.
Thank fuck for that.
Yeah, we'll see some fun.
The main thing is the weather starts to change.
18.
Nearly a point, nearly there.
Max Cook.
Yeah.
My ex-boss at the garage used to be on the grid with him. James Ansell.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, James.
I used to work at Gloucester Bike.
Did you? Yeah, James is mint.
Oh, well, one, sorry.
Where did that come from?
He's got a bit of a gap to the next one to catch up now, to one of the Verveys. Alright guys, then that was a vlog from Donington with World Superbikes. Even though the Sunday didn't really go to plan, we still thought it was a really good weekend. Getting that podium on the Saturday was awesome. Sunday, even though we had the bike problems, and Max didn't get to do the race where he started second on the grid, or should I say didn't get the finish he would have liked from starting second on the grid. It was still a really positive weekend. We learned a lot as a team and Max as a rider. We definitely won't be having that bike problem again. So yeah, it was a mega weekend, and the team and Max really enjoyed it. Guys, even though it looks like Max is doing well, obviously being under the FS3 racing name and that, he still has to work flat out to do this hobby, paying for the fuel for the bike, paying for tyres. So guys, if there's any of you out there who would like to help Max, he would really appreciate it. I'll put some links to his Instagram and his Facebook racing page below. So get in contact with him or get in contact with me, and we can sort some really good packages out for you to come watch at the race meetings, be part of the FS3 team, go in the garage and meet the riders and meet Max, and make you feel part of the team. So guys, if you're interested in helping, check out the links below. I'll put them in the description of the video. Cheers guys for watching. I won't be doing a vlog for a little while for Max. We should have some more pit bike vlogs coming soon. So yeah, that'd be really good. It's been a while since I did a pit bike vlog. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that button there. And to watch some more videos, hit that, where's my finger? Hit that button there. Cheers guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.